Macrobiotic cooking is based in the energy of food. Welcome to Healthy Cooking with Val. Hi, I'm Chef Valerie Wilson. Everything in the universe is made up of energy. And when I first discovered macrobiotic cooking and macrobiotic lifestyle, this is what drew me to it first and foremost, was this study of energy. Because I just connected with that philosophy. I myself feel energy. So everything in the universe is made up of two opposite yet complementary energies that come together. We call them yin and yang. Like the symbol, the yin-yang symbol, the two energies coming together. So for instance, this carrot has both yin and yang energies in it. So the yin part of the energy is the top of the carrot, because the characteristics of yin energy is an upward moving energy, and it's also expansive. Now the complete opposite of that is the bottom portion of the carrot, which is the yang energy. Yang energy has the characteristics of growing downward and is tight and constricted. So you can see in this carrot we have both yin, upward growing energy where the greens come from, and the yang, downward root energy. You can also see that example in an onion with the yin and the yang energies. So when I slice my onion, I always slice it right down the middle with the lines so that it's a balanced cut going from the yin and the yang. Now, in food, how does this help you? Well, certain foods are more yin and certain foods are more yang. And if you eat foods that are more balanced, then your energy becomes balanced. And balanced energy inside of your body is where health and longevity reside. So there are some extreme examples of these energy foods. For instance, let's look at an extreme example of yin food. Now remember, yin is expansive and upward moving energy. So foods that are really, really yin are going to be your desserts, things that are sweetened with sugar. Because what happens when you overconsume those foods? Your body starts to expand, right? And the opposite of that would be the extreme yang energy foods, tight, constricted foods. This is where your meat, your eggs, and your really salty food exist. Because what happens when you consume too many of those things? The arteries tend to go like this and get small and get constrictive and tight. The yang energy. You can see that the average American diet consists of people eating extreme yin energy food and extreme yang energy food. And if your body and your energy is like a teeter-totter, and it looks like this, and you eat those extreme energy foods, your teeter-totter goes up and down very, very fast. This creates chaotic energy, which is where disease resides. Again, if we eat more balanced food, some middle energy food, some foods that are found in the middle of this teeter-totter, then our energy is balanced and we're healthy. These foods would be your plant-based foods, such as whole grains, vegetables, beans, and nuts and seeds. In fact, brown rice, which is an exceptionally nutritious, wonderful food for you, is just about right in the middle of that teeter-totter, which makes it a very, very balanced food. Now, this study of yin and yang and balancing the energy of your food, I find to be fascinating, and I hope you do too. I write about it in the introduction of my cookbook, Perceptions in Healthy Cooking. You can purchase my cookbook on my website at macroval.com. And thanks for checking out my Facebook page, Macroval Food. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that step together.